Hi, welcome back to the latest video of Phronix. Today we're gonna tell you how you can manage the latest 2025 version of taxi application admin. So this is the admin panel. From here you can see all the driver registered. From here you can see all the driver approved. From here you can see all the driver that are waiting for approval, and from here you can see all the user registered. If I click on view all, I can see all the users, their name, their number and everything. If I want to, let's say, edit any user, I can easily do it. Okay, I can edit their name, their number, their email. I can enable, disable them. If I disable, they will not be able to log in. I can also change their password, I can change their profile, I can delete them. So all these things I can do from here. Similarly, I can do the same thing from the driver panel also. So let me come back to the home page. So let's say if there is any driver, I can easily do it from the driver app here. So now let's understand more thing about the admin panel. From here you can make the service location. Service location is the location or the country you are working in. So let's say if we are working in India, so we'll click on edit and we'll choose name, country, and now it will automatically choose the currency and the time zone. If you are working in more than one country, you can add more than one service location. So let's say if I am from India, I'll choose the service location of Asia, Kolkata. And now you can make a zone. Zone is like you can draw on Google Map in how much area you are working in. You can easily click on edit and now you can enter the name and kilometers and you can draw on Google Map your address. Let me do it for you. So now click on this plus and minus and now click on this plus button and now draw on Google Map. Right now I want to cover the whole world, but if I want to cover, let's say, only a particular city, then I'll just draw that particular city only. And that's how you can manage easily the service location zone creating in the latest taxi application 2025 version. And that's how I can easily draw a zone on world map. If I want to set only a location, only a city, I can do that. Let's say if some mistake happen, you can click on the delete button and you can redo it like this. So just keep clicking and keep setting the location and make sure you close the box. If you don't close it, the zone will not create. So that's how you can draw on Google Map to create your zone. You can make unlimited zones. You can also see your zone view like this. So let's say if I want to create Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, I can make 10 types of zone. But remember, one zone should not interact with another zone. Let's say if I create a zone called India, then I cannot create a zone called Delhi. I will need to create a separate zone of Delhi, separate zone of Jaipur. Like this separate zone I can create. I can create the whole city or I can create the whole country also. Now click on vehicle types and now you can make your own vehicle, like you are having only taxi booking, delivery or all, like both. Now choose your icon, choose the image and now enter the name, description. This booking is normal booking, like the customer when book, whatever prices the system shows, it is booking on that price, or it is a bidding booking. Bidding feature is the customer can get an offer from the driver and the driver can also offer the customer. If you want to enable normal, you can enable normal. If you want to enable bidding, you can enable bidding. If you want to enable all, you can enable all. And now you can also choose, is there any supported vehicle for that. That's how you add a new vehicle. You can add as many vehicle you want. You can disable it, enable it. If you remember, if you choose taxi, then driver when register and he choose taxi as a vehicle, only then he will be able to see this vehicle. So let's say you add a car and you choose it as all. So when the driver register, when he choose all, only then this vehicle will be available. So if you want to run only taxi booking, no courier delivery, then choose this as a taxi. If you want to run both, then choose this as all. So now let's go ahead. Now you can set up the prices. So let's set up the prices of a new vehicle. Choose zone, choose transport type, choose vehicle. Okay, now you can choose cash, online or wallet. Which one you want to give? I want to give all the options, that I have selected all the options. Now the commission, tax, how much tax you want to take. ETA sequence is the sequence. Let's say at which position you want this vehicle to be. You want it to be on number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, like this you can. What is the base price? This is the minimum price that it would be when booking a vehicle. So the prices will be base price plus price per kilometer multiplied by kilometers you travel. So that's how the base price work. Base distance is this is the minimum distance the price will be. And now if you want to have any minute wise price, you can also add that. If you want to have any waiting charge, you can add that. If you want to have any free waiting charge, if you want to have any surge fee for airport, if somebody is booking for airport, you want to have any additional fee, you can add from here. If you want to enable outstation, and if you want to have extra prices for the same vehicle, if the customer choose outstation, then you can do that from here. So these all features can be controlled by the admin panel. You can change these prices anytime. Now this is the package price. You can set a package like a city tour or something, and you can edit all the prices from here. You can activate, deactivate. So you can set up all the prices of city tour from here. You can also set driver incentive in the latest version. So let's say there is a zone India for vehicle car. I want to set a driver incentive that if he complete minimum 5 rides a day, he gets a 10 rupee incentive. So this feature is available only in the latest version, 2025 version of Taxi app. I can add different options. I can also add a weekly incentive. So it's a daily or weekly incentive option available. You can set incentive as per the different vehicles also. So every vehicle can have a different incentive. You can also add a surge fee. Surge fee means, let's say you want to add a particular charges on night, on a particular festival time or something, then you can do that. Let's say I want to increase the prices by 10% on Sunday of this particular time. I can do that by using the surge fee feature. Goods type. Goods type is the feature if you want to have courier delivery feature on, like you are delivering jewelry, food products, pharmacy, logistic, chemicals, plywood, books, paper. You can set up the categories from here. From here, promotional management, promo code, you can make a promo code. So let's make a promo code. Let's say I want to make a promo code for India location for all the users, and I want to make it for transport type all. Let's say I want to make it 10 off, and minimum trip amount is, let's say, 2 rupees. You can make it 200 or 0, that's your choice. Maximum discounted amount is this. Discount purchase is 10% I want to give. And this offer is from today till, let's say, this date. And how many times a user can use it? Let's say I want them to use it maximum 10 times. And yeah, that's how you can make a coupon code or a discount code, and you can edit it, disable, enable, everything. Send push notification. You can send push notification to your customers by using the admin panel. You can send to only drivers, only users, and you can enter the title, message and photo, and that's how you can send a push notification. Banner image. You can put a banner image in your application that will come like this. A application where a customer can see a banner. You can put any third party banner, you can put your discounts banners, you can put any information. So this is for you. You can use it to earn extra money from somebody else to promote their business, or you can also promote your own. You can add as many banners you want. People can slide and see the next banner. Now let's understand the geofencing management God's Eye feature. So by using this feature, you can see all the drivers who are online on the world map. So this is the world map. You can see all the driver if they are online. It will be shown here. Right now we don't have any online drivers, that's why it's not showing. But you can see all of them on the world map like this. Trip request. From here you can manage all the trips. You can see the request ID, date, name, driver, vehicle type, trip details and much more. You can also see how the customer paid by cash or online. You can see their location, that their pickup location was this, drop location was this, ride was cancelled or completed and much more. You can see all of that from the trip request section. You can also see particular trips by going to the particular section, like going to only completed, going to only cancelled. Like this you can also filter a lot of here. Similarly, you can see the delivery request from here. You can see the cancelled delivery request and completed delivery request. You can see the ongoing request here. If there is a booking going on right now, you can see that here. We have a feature of complaints. A user can easily do a complaint and the admin will see it here, and admin can have a chat with the user if he wants to. SOS feature. Admin can add an emergency number like a police number or an ambulance number or a customer care number, he can. So let's say if I want to add a SOS number, I'll just click on add emergency number. Let's say I want to add a police number. I choose police, I enter 100. If there is any another number in your country, you can add that. So in the SOS it works when the user and driver both are on trip and they think that there is some safety issues, they can click on the SOS and they can dial this number for their safety precautions. Now click on cancellation. You can see cancellation reason. So the user when want to cancel, he can see those reasons. You can also make sure that these reasons are free or they are paid cancellation. You can set the cancellation reason for user and driver. If they are a paid cancellation, then the amount will be minus from the user wallet. Now this is the FAQ section. You can add a FAQ like the question that user asks from your system rapidly and you can answer them. This is the chat section. So if there is a user who is having any query, any confusion, you can message them, you can chat with them, and you can chat with the user or you can chat with the driver. So if somebody is having a confusion, they can directly chat with the admin panel. And now let's understand more in the system. From here you can see different graphs of bookings, your earnings, cancellation and much more. So this is the business setup. From here you can change the website color, name, contact number, website link and much more. You can change the logo and more. Remember, you should not disturb the system. If you don't know about particular setting, you can directly contact our team. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you. And now let's understand the more feature. From here you can control that you want this setting is in business setting, customization setting. From here you can control you want the taxi only, delivery only or all. If you click on taxi only, then delivery feature will be disappeared from the application. If you click on all, then everything will be coming in the application. You can choose your default country from here. If you choose your default country to India, then application will automatically take the country code as India. If you choose the default country of USA, the application will automatically choose the USA country code. And now let's understand more features. All of these features you can see can be controlled from the admin panel. You can also enable this feature, enable driver profile disapprove on update. Let's say a driver edit something in his profile, he changes vehicle or he changes document, he changes name. If he do anything, his profile get disapproved. So the admin need to re-update it. You can enable this. Right now we have disabled it, but if you want, you can enable this. Enable digital signature. So if somebody is getting a booking done on the courier delivery, if you want them to upload their signature at the time of delivery, you can enable it. driver incentive feature. If you want the driver incentive feature, driver loyalty feature, that he can earn more on each booking enabled, then you can do that. And now let's understand further feature of the system. If you have any query, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen. If you want to make your own taxi application like this 2025 version, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. So we can make an amazing application for you. In this combo, you will get a user Android app, driver Android app, website. User can also make a booking by the website, admin panel, dispatcher panel, and 6-month free technical support. If you are buying Android plus Apple, then you are getting user Android app, driver Android app, user Apple app, driver Apple app, website admin, and 6-month free technical support. From here you can see that what is the radius of a driver, how much kilometers the driver can get a booking. So let's say you set a radius of 30, then only 30 kilometer radius the driver will get a booking of a customer. You can set up the timing the driver will have to accept the booking. You can set up that timing for the driver to accept the bidding booking. You can set up that the bill will be round or not. Let's say the bill is 140.20 rupees. If you enable the can round the bill values, then it will be automatically 140. So that's how it works. If you want to enable bidding feature, you can control the bidding settings from here. And now here are the other settings of the system. If you want to enable wallet feature and you want to enable that the driver should have a minimum wallet balance, then you can control it from here. Tip settings. Let's say you want to enable tipping feature, that a user can give a tip at the end of the booking. So you can set up this from here. You can enable, disable this also. And now this is the application for the feature like onboarding settings and much more. Now you can see some other settings like payment gateway and more. You don't need to disturb these. So we will not discuss this in this video. If you want to understand more, you can contact your consultant who can help you the best. And now here is the website settings. Website setting means from where you can control the website logo, its details, privacy policy page, and much more. So you can change all of this data by using all of these pages. Remember, if you want to change the main data, just click on the page and choose English language and click on edit and save. You need to click on the update button before saving anything. If you do not click on update button, it will not get saved. And now let's understand the further features. From here you can see all the users. From here you can see the deleted users. From here you can see the drivers. From here you can see the application is running on only commission, only subscription, or subscription plus commission. In the latest 2025 version, you can make a subscription plan from the driver also. So if I make a subscription plan, let's say I want to make for all, I want to make for car, and let's say I want to make monthly. And let's say obviously this is monthly is 30 days, so you can choose you want to make for how many days. Let's say it is for 100 rupees, so I make monthly plan. And that's how you can make a driver subscription. So whenever somebody register, the application will ask, do you want to register as commission or you want to subscribe our plan? You can make monthly plan, yearly plan, quarterly plan, 3-year plan, or even 1-day plan. You can make as many plans you want. And now driver wallet. From here you can see the driver's wallet and their withdrawal request. From here you can see driver ratings. From here you can see the referral setting, that once a user refer, how much amount they can earn, and that amount will be credited in their wallet and they can use it in the next booking. From here you can make a sub-admin, so you can make as many sub-admins you want. Just click on add admin, choose their role, they are employee or they are super admin or they are dispatcher. And now choose the details, enter the ID, password, and that's how you can make. From here you can download different reports like the user reports, driver reports, and much more. Finance report. And now this is the last section of the admin. From here you can make different roles like the sub admin or super admin or manager, and you can give them different permission. You can control the permission from here. If you click on something, it will be added. If you do not click or unclick it, it will be removed as a permission. So you can give the control admin to your team. From here you can see all the languages on the system. And that is all about our latest 2025 version admin panel. If you have any query, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. For more, kindly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen. And if you want to make your own taxi application 2025 version like this, you can WhatsApp us so we can help you the best.